Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota GR86 by Pop Race, and Pop Race is a growing brand, and their products are really beautiful actually. So it is giving a good competition to Mini GT. To be very in all fairness, I personally love Pop Race now. So we did unbox a few sometime back. I think especially the Hakosuka. That was really an awesome one. So let's unbox this one and see this one looks. So I didn't see this ADVAN livery anywhere. So luckily I was able to find one through Facebook. Pricing is really good. I think I bought it for around 1600 I guess. So which is practically pricing for par price with every other seller. So I went ahead and bought it. Okay, let's open it. Okay, here it is. So the one difference between Pop Race and Mini GT is like, so Pop Race models are tend to be a bit smaller than Mini GT models, but it looks really nice. As you can see here, the initial impressions of this car, this looks really beautiful, and the detailing looks really nice. It has acrylics for the headlights and the grill details here, which is really nice, which is just embossed. It is not just painted on, which is embossed and just painted on it, which I personally love. And the tail lights are also, it is some kind of acrylic, and does the detailing painted on top of it. Oh, that looks really nice. So the logo placement is really good. So it has rear view mirrors. So the rear view mirrors are actually made of metal. I don't want to give so much stress on it because it might break, because anyway it just, you can see it is hinged on, you know it is just, I think it is molded or something with a small hinge there. So I don't want to give any stress to it like I did with Toyota Yaris. So it has some detailing on the bottom as well, and it has good exhaust detail as well. It is chromed out, which looks really great. So the tires are actually rubber. The rims looks really nice. It has great interior detailing to it, but the windows are actually tinted in black, so I'm not able to show it to you that well. But let me just try. It has some minor scratches on the paint job, but not sure how it is. But apart from that, the model looks really beautiful. So these are actually collector grade models. You are not supposed to play with it. So let's do a roll test anyways. And again, one more thing. So the entire car is made of metal. So except for the interiors, which is made of plastic, and the rims, which is made of plastic. But apart from that, the body and chassis, everything is made of metal. It doesn't roll at all. But the good thing is, compared to GT or something, sorry, 64, 64, most of the models doesn't have rollable wheels. But both Pop Race and Mini GT, literally every model you pick, it has rollable wheels, which is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.